In an unexpected turn of activities, the James Webb Area Telescope from NASA has made a groundbreaking discovery that has bowled over astronomers global. Only some weeks in the past, the telescope unveiled the earliest acknowledged galaxy in the universe. However, now it has determined something even extra excellent. A supermassive black hole that is swiftly moving away from its domestic galaxy at a staggering velocity of 4 million miles per hour. This new locating holds considerable implications and has sparked much debate and interest amongst scientists and area lovers alike about its ability impact on our information of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope was released with the purpose of exploring the primary galaxies in the universe, and it has already captured breathtaking pics of the demise of stars and galaxies from only some 100 million years after the Large Bang. We invite you to enroll in us as we delve deeper into today's revelations from this exquisite telescope. Make certain to like and subscribe for greater updates like this. This new discovery demanding situations present-day scientific fashions, especially regarding black holes. Historically, black holes are considered massive forces that pull the entirety, consisting of light, into their facilities. But this newly detected black hollow appears to defy expectations. In preference to soaking up mild, it seems to be producing new stars along an extended trail, which has been determined in its wake. This path of young stars stretches an spectacular 200,000 mild years. The uncommon behavior of this black hollow has left scientists confused. However, a group led by using Professor Peter B., an astronomy expert, these days posted their findings in the astrophysical journal Letters. NASA's Space Telescope also showed these observations, suggesting that this black hole triggers the formation of recent stars while it interacts with gas and cools it. We are gazing the results at the back of the black hole's motion, and this is only the beginning. Moreover, NASA has made any other exciting statement about the galactic merger ARP-220, which became additionally captured with the aid of the James Webb Area Telescope. This outstanding galactic merger may be visible shining brightly among different galaxies inside the nighttime sky. When spiral galaxies collide, the ensuing phenomenon, ARP-220, shines most brightly inside the infrared spectrum, making it an excellent candidate for commentary with the aid of the Webb telescope. It is labeled as an ultraluminous infrared galaxy, with a luminosity equal to 1 trillion suns, a long way surpassing our Milky Way, which has a luminosity of approximately 10 billion suns. Positioned within the constellation Serpens, ARP-220 is located approximately 250 million mild-years away and is considered the brightest of the 3 nearest galactic collisions to Earth. This galaxy is catalogued as item variety 220 inside the Atlas of Peculiar Galaxies. Round 700 million years in the past, spiral galaxies collided, triggering a large burst of famous person formation. This explosion created a dense area kind of 5,000 light-years throughout, domestic to approximately 200 large famous person clusters. Relatively, this small vicinity holds as a whole lot fuel because the entire Milky Manor galaxy. Previous observations, the usage of radio telescopes observed about 100 supernova remnants within a 500 light-year radius. The James Webb Area Telescope additionally found out that the significant galaxies are separated through 200 mild-years, every containing a rotating ring of famous person formation emitting extreme infrared light. New pics from the telescope show the merging galaxies in brilliant element, also highlighting faint tidal tails extending outward from the merger, indicative of the gravitational pull among the two galaxies. The reddish and orange streaks and filaments represent scattered or ionized material in ARP-220. Any other incredible discovery astonished scientists whilst researchers diagnosed primordial galaxies placed at the brink of the universe. At the beginning, there was skepticism regarding their authenticity, with some theorizing that they might be close by galaxies disguised as historical ones. To verify the findings, the statistics become shared with scientists around the arena. To their surprise, the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed that those historical galaxies are indeed actual. Thanks to this innovative telescope, we have the potential to study the oldest galaxies ever seen. Astronomers estimate that light from those galaxies has traveled greater than 13.5 billion years to attain Earth, supplying us a glimpse into the universe's distant beyond. These galaxies had been located while the universe turned into in its infancy, presenting critical insights into the fast formation of the first generations of galaxies. Spectral data verify that these galaxies are on the farthest fringe of our observable universe, with some in all likelihood beyond the attain of even the Hubble Area Telescope. This discovery is pivotal because it supports one of the primary goals of the James Webb Space Telescope: to look at the early universe through light that has traveled for over 13.5 billion years. The telescope's capacity to measure severe redshifts distinguishes it, enabling astronomers to see into the infrared spectrum and have a look at the earliest galaxies. The excitement surrounding this discovery is palpable, as it represents a substantial milestone inside the exploration of the cosmos and our expertise of its evolution. The findings have had a profound effect on our comprehension of the universe and have driven NASA to develop even greater advanced telescopes to similarly probe the accuracy of our knowledge concerning the Big Bang. Records from Webb's NIR-SPEC spectrometer and NIRCam near-infrared camera have discovered that 4 of the 6 primordial galaxies showcase intense redshifts, suggesting that Webb is gazing them as they existed 300 to 500 million years after the massive bang. Without heavy factors like carbon, this is remarkable due to the fact the universe is thought to be 13.8 billion years old, and the lifestyles of these galaxies requires a reassessment of our understanding of the early universe. This discovery has sparked issues in the medical community because it challenges the current cosmological inflation version and the huge bang principle, each of which include positive inconsistencies, which includes contradicting the legal guidelines of thermodynamics and missing a clean rationalization of what prompted the large bang. Furthermore, the James Webb Area Telescope has recognized galaxies almost as old because the huge bang itself, which casts doubt on everything we knew about the universe's foundation. Theoretical physicist Michio Kaku has stated that the discovery of these historic galaxies forces us to rethink the whole lot we understood about the universe's starting. Formerly, these galaxies were believed to be less developed than the Milky Manor, but the new findings propose that we may be overlooking critical facts. The fact that the telescope has located 6 galaxies that existed handiest 1/2 billion years after the Big Bang, and are up to 10 times larger than the Milky Manor, raises sizable questions about whether or not our modern-day theories of cosmic creation are correct. Kaku has defined that it takes billions of years to shape a galaxy just like the Milky Manor, making it complicated to discover such large, young primordial galaxies. This finding ought to result in an entire revision of textbooks at the foundation of the universe. The discoveries made by means of the James Webb Space Telescope mission are previous expertise of the massive bang, leaving scientists at a crossroads. Regardless of this, NASA lately tweeted approximately the discovery of a galaxy cluster placed just 650 million years after the huge bang, including but another interesting element to the puzzle. Astronomers have analyzed the facts and concluded that this rising cluster is predicted to extend and ultimately resemble the massive Coma A656 cluster. This discovery is especially widespread, as it is positioned in a vicinity of unexpectedly accelerating galactic evolution. Way to the James Webb Area Telescope, researchers at the moment are capable of measure the velocities of these 7 galaxies, permitting them to confirm that they may be certain together in a protocluster. To position this into angle, NASA scientists comparison those remote galaxies to small droplets of water in various rivers, all with a purpose to ultimately be a part of together to form a robust river. Truly, what we once believed approximately the huge bang does not align with what is now rising. However, more information from the Webb telescope may additionally soon offer evidence that would verify or refute those theories. Whether the massive bang did manifest stays to be visible, however the cause of it might be a completely exclusive tale. We may additionally ought to look forward to further discoveries, but the solutions can be nearer than we suppose. What are your thoughts on those discoveries? Share your evaluations within the remarks beneath, and I'll see you inside the next video. Thank you for looking. Because the James Webb Area Telescope maintains its groundbreaking work, the clinical network eagerly awaits extra revelations that might reshape our understanding of the universe. With each new discovery, the telescope is pushing the boundaries of what we idea changed into possible, providing us a clearer and extra specified view of the cosmos. Its ability to observe the faintest and maximum remote galaxies is permitting astronomers to piece collectively the early records of the universe, losing light on occasions that took place billions of years in the past. The implications of these findings are significant, as they venture lengthy status theories about the formation and evolution of galaxies. If those newly located galaxies are certainly as ancient as they appear, it increases full-size questions about the fee at which galaxies can develop and evolve. How may these massive, mature galaxies have formed so quickly after the Big Bang? Ought to there be unknown processes at play that we've got but to recognize? The James Webb Space Telescope's capability to seize such particular statistics is in all likelihood to lead to even extra discoveries in the coming months and years. Moreover, the insights received from studying those historical galaxies will assist astronomers refine their fashions of cosmic evolution. By analyzing the traits of those early galaxies, scientists desire to benefit a higher information of how the universe transitioned from its chaotic early levels to the greater dependent shape we take a look at nowadays. The position of black holes in this method, especially in phrases of how they influence star formation and galactic evolution, stays a major attention of studies. Every other captivating component of the James Webb Space Telescope's observations is its capability to look at the formation of stars within these historical galaxies. In addition to uncovering black holes that appear to defy our expectations, the telescope has additionally recognized areas where stars are being born at a remarkable charge. These areas of severe big-name formation may want to offer valuable clues about how the first stars inside the universe have been created and what situations were necessary for his or her delivery. As researchers maintain to analyze the facts collected by using the James Webb Area Telescope, it's clear that the discoveries being made are only the start. The telescope's unheard-of sensitivity and advanced abilities make it a useful device for exploring the farthest reaches of space. Inside the Destiny, its miles expected to unveil even extra mysteries approximately the universe, from the origins of galaxies to the very nature of dark matter and darkish strength. At the same time as the discoveries to date have already revolutionized our expertise of the cosmos, the journey is a ways from over. Scientists are simply starting to scratch the floor of what the James Webb Space Telescope can reveal. As new statistics pours in, the telescope will retain to undertaking existing theories, offering new insights and sparkling debates approximately the essential nature of the universe. The pleasure surrounding those discoveries isn't always simply limited to the medical community. Area lovers and the majority have been captivated with the aid of the lovely pics and groundbreaking findings that the James Webb Area Telescope has supplied. The telescope has sparked a renewed hobby in space exploration and has inspired a brand new technology of astronomers, physicists, and fanatics to look up on the night sky with awe and wonder.